we're here to talk about real time, right? And that means different things to different people. Can you tell me how you define real time and what does that look like?
Yeah, hit me with a hard question right away. We'll jump into it, right? So real time means something different to different people. And, I found, dictionary.com has a great definition. I'll read it briefly. Of or relating to applications in which the computer must respond as rapidly as required by the user or necessitated by the process being controlled. So I think the key part of that is as rapidly as required by the user or the process, the application. That's why it means something different to different applications, different people.
Right.
So if I like to look at units of time and see how that might be relating to real-time processing. Let's start really small, like a microsecond. That's a millionth of a second. You might not think that's meaningful, but if you're on a Wall Street trader, high frequency trading, then microseconds matter. You need to get your trade in ahead of the competition to make money. These applications really work hard at eliminating any unnecessary processing, networking, disk access, both really costly in terms of latency or in real time. Now let's get a little slower here and talk about milliseconds. They're a thousandth of a second. Still sounds really fast, and it is. If you're a digital ad network or you're building a self-driving car, then you're thinking in milliseconds. Every millisecond matters. By way of comparison, when you blink, the human eye blink is about 100 to 400 milliseconds. So, just under a half a second. So when you're talking milliseconds, it's really fast. So 10 milliseconds is when you're for a self-driving car, you need to make a decision in 10 milliseconds whether to stop or avoid an obstacle. So that's really almost a closed system, or you're eliminating the networks. You're really locking down every bit of processing power. Next up is seconds. So we're still in the realm of real time with seconds here, but we're in the realm of maybe near real time. So when you're talking seconds or sub-minute processing time, that's typically, it's more than enough for applications that are computing analytics on event streams. Some people might call it real-time analytics. We do. Alerting applications are another example. And applications that derive decisions in real time being human reaction time rather than machine time. We're not talking cars here. So seconds are typically the unit of measure for Snowplow applications. Applications need to act on a decision while the user's still on a page. We're tracking behavior on a page. Or in a session, like a game session, you want to react in seconds to the behavior you're witnessing on those platforms. Now, when we get to minutes, that might seem like a real long time for real-time applications. But consider when you get it's Christmas season right now, and you get packages delivered, and within minutes you're getting an alert that the package arrived. It feels pretty real time. It just happened, but you're in that realm of near real time, I guess, in that case. And finally, if you're talking hours or days, you're not really venturing to real time. But if you were getting your like my electric bill comes monthly, right? Now I'm going to soon be able to see it, within a day of my usage. That certainly speeds up the time, and it's fine to know things on a daily basis, but you're not really talking real time at that case.